put your hands on your hips and do this. First position. Now, do that. Good job. Now raise and do this. Now reach like that. And do this.
How about a grand jeté?
Now grand jeté. Grand jeté.
Go do a grand jeté,
Class!
Sissy.
Class! Now saute. Now go back to your space. Run back to your space. Now tiny. Now march like that. And can I make you spots? Mina, go right there. So now sit there, go there, and do a big jump like that. And jump like that. Now do this. And slide, 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 slide. And do this.
And now how about a bow?
No, we're practicing our spin.
Carolyn, give me a bow.
Now do this. Put your hand in.